Hello viewers, you're welcome to another edition of Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. My name remains Vincent Hope, your instructor. Now quickly, we need to understand what AI tools are used for. AI tools are actually used to help you become more productive, to help you do work easier and faster. Previously, for example, for what we want to treat today, we're going to be treating, let's say, the best free AI flyer generator. Okay, now, previously, we as human beings, we need flyers for communicating events, communicating birthdays, naming ceremonies, and the rest of it. Now, previously, you want to do such things, you go to a business center, tell them the design, tell them your concept, they design it for you. Now, that is quickly changing. You can design your flyer yourself using AI flyer generator. So now let's press enter and see what it brings out. So we have AI powered flyer generator picto charts. We also have ADOBE free AI generator. Okay, which other ones do we have? Let's scroll down. We have Visme, we have Design AI, we have Venngage, we have Design.com, we have Canva, and so much and so forth. So let's go back to the ones we will use. Let's start with the Adobe AI flyer generator. I right click it as usual. I open on a different tab. This is the tab I have here. I click it. Now it says make stunning flyers with AI flyer generator. Now let me open the three I will be using for this lesson. I also take picto chart. I right click it. I open it too. It's opening right here. So here you see AI powered flyer generator. I also take, let's see which one we will use. Okay, we're going to take Venngage, right click it, open. It's also opening here. Now see Venngage free AI generator. So let's kickstart, starting with Adobe Express. So what does it say? It says spread the word effortlessly, stunning flyer with a stunning flyer for any event using a full customizable AI flyer generator. Just describe your ideal flyer in the text box or prompts, which you know now already, and adjust the template to suit your preferences, design to be commercially safe. Now, simply come to this point here and click Generate Now. Okay, sorry, we're supposed to type the prompt. Okay, let me go back a bit. We skipped a step, so I can come here and type. So what kind of flyer do you want? So I want a flyer. I can say AI. I can use this. I can say, for example, upgrade your IT skills. I can say, since we're an institute, register for our AI courses, for example. Courses. Okay, so this is what we want as the content or the main theme of the flyer which we want to communicate. So all we need to do, let me copy it first. Control A, Control C is copied so that I can use it for other AI tools. Then I click generate here. Okay, so it's going to generate based on what has been given to it. So you see here it says bringing your ideas to life, magic, art, and science. Let's see, generating the image. Let's see what it comes up with. So you have to give it a while. So beautiful. My mind is going for this. I also want this. Okay, let me select this option here. I click this option here. I select it. Under, remember, we're in Adobe Express. Okay. So we're waiting for it to be generated. Fine. So now look. Let's see the final output. Fine. It says upgrade your skills, join AI courses, and I can put it, you can now kind of edit it here. So let's do a little editing here. Join, look at where you do your editing here. Okay. Or let me come, I can still come here. I can say move the cursor to the right place. I can say join our AI courses. Okay, let me make it a bit smaller and expand it. Okay, something like this is cool. Make it inner. Okay, join our AI courses, limited seats. Let me add this one, limited seats. I can add something here more. I can say limited seats available. Available. Okay, I can click outside here, just do a basic editing. Come here, move it to this place. Okay, I move it to this place. Let me see the options it gives me here. More options. Okay, I think what I have here is okay, so I can decide to center it like you do in your basic Microsoft Word. Let's see whether we have this in line left. This is bullet points. Let's see whether it gives us options. Okay, this is online teaches. Okay, I was looking for, okay, I wanted to align it center, but I'm not seeing that option now, so not to waste time. So starting with this month, okay, so you can do basic editing from here. Now, this upgrade your skills. I can decide to expand it. Let's see whether it's allow it to expand. Okay, so yes, I expand it a bit. Okay, expand it. Okay, let me increase it. Okay, I can come here, look at this place here. I increase the size of the text. Okay, I move it to the center. I want increase it for more further. Okay, so it's looking like what I need. So this is it. So what do I simply do? If I'm okay with this, you can see it's simple and pretty straightforward. Let me also center this text here. This is I can bring this one here. Okay, then click inside here, move this one specifically, make it wider. Okay, use a cursor inside, bring the text to center. Let's go back a bit. Okay, I think this looks more like it. So now come here, let me expand this a bit. Limited seats available. Okay, okay, now come here. So let's come to this place. Okay, let's click on this, then reduce the size. Give, I wanted it to come to one side. Okay, so now I think we have exactly what we're looking for. So this looks, let me move this one, or this one, bring it down a bit. This one looks a bit better. So this is my final product. All I simply need to do is, okay, you can also add your website and any other information you decide. So all I simply need to do is to come here and download. Now you can say download file format. What did it ask you? It say you should what? Download. So if I download this, okay, optimizing, let's see what it comes up with. Look at the program here. Now let me open the file here and let's see the final output. You see how it looks like? This is opening in Microsoft Power, Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So this is my final output. It's very simple and straightforward. So you can use Adobe Express to design any kind of flyer or you want. Now let's close this and see now what are the other options available here. Quickly, you can see templates. If you come to templates, you can select any of the templates that appeals to you here. So if I select this, for example, if I select this template, it's a professional template. If you see this sign here, it means it is for premium, means it has to be paid for. So let me leave that option and let me select this one that is not paid for. This one is paid for, so I'll click on this. So I can say add as a page. It becomes the second page of this. This is the first page here. This is the second page. If I don't want it, I simply come here and delete it. It removes that. So that is for template. You can select any template. Then media. If you have any media you want to add to this file here, you can upload from your device. Simply click upload. Then locate where the media is in any of your file. Then you add it to it, but we're not adding anything now. So media could be your audio or video. You can also have text templates. If you have text templates, for example, supposing I decide to add this to my text, I click on this and I bring it here, for example. So talk, I can hide those ones. Then I can change the content here, also change the content here. When I'm done, if I like what I see, but let's say if I like what I see, I still come back and do the download. So that is basically how you use Adobe Express. You see how simple and easy it is. Now let's go to the other one, which is PictoChat. PictoChat is AI Power Flyer Generator, introducing revolutionary AI generator, the fastest and easiest way to create eye-catching flyers for your business or events. So you simply come here and say create, but let's sign up and see. First we sign up. You sign up if you're having a new account, but I already have an existing account, so it asks you preferential use. So since we're using it for education, click education, click OK. Asks you your age. Then we just say educator, students in the higher institution. Click this. If you decide to answer the questions, subscribe to our newsletter and you say not now, then it sets up your environment to see what you want to do. Okay, so now let's give it time to finish loading so that we can design what. So this is actually pretty straightforward. In this one, you come here, see flyers here. You have reports, presentations, posters, infographics. So let's come to flyers. If we click on this, now what kind of flyer is it? Event, promotional. I think I'm already liking what I see here. Let's say I take this one. I just click on it here. Click on it. So it's a training flyer. So let me click edit templates. If I click edit templates, let's see what PictoChat does with it. Fine. I can simply come here and change the context and say, let me cancel this first. Come here, remove this content. I can say upgrade, remove this other content, make it smaller. Bring it up here a bit. Reduce it. Upgrade. Use this one here. Say your, I'll just put your, let me put it AI skills, for example. Okay, you also reduce the size. Bring it up here. Come reduce the size here. Okay, I think this is better like this. So you change the contents. Okay, we're still in 2025, delete 2026. Innovation, fueled ideas to expand your market share. Now you can also change these contents. I just type become more productive. Become more productive. Remove all this other information. Okay, So let's make this bigger. Let's make this bigger. Become more productive. Now you change the amount. And so let's make this one 199 per seat. Ebook certificate on English. So register now. So you see you have a beautiful so you put the date. You can change the date to May 25. Saturday, New York connection. You can change the date, the address. Okay, put some of the speakers you want, change the faces, and ultimately put in your email, your website address or your email address. And when you are done, it's simple. This looks better. Then you now simply come here and download it. Now remember, you click download. Okay, it asks you what do you want to use. Is it PNG, PDF, or whatever? These ones are for business. It's like this, so normal quality. You can upgrade if you want. Then simply say download. Now if it downloads, okay, so if let's open the file and see how it looks like. Okay, double click this, open it. So beautiful. So simple, straightforward AI AI flyer generator. Very beautiful and simple. So let's close this. So remember, we're on Pictochart. Now you can now play around with all this other information from here. You can play around with them, add some, just simply, if you want to add anything, you can simply just come here and bring it. It's added. Depending on what your creativity is, it makes your design very simple to use. You finish, you download, sorry. Now you come to the other one, which is Venngage. Now Venngage is also a free AI generator. Struggling to keep up with the demand of engaging flyers, our intuitive tools allows efforts create custom flyers all year long, blah blah blah. So let's type the same information we had before. We can say upgrade your IT skills, register for our AI courses. Okay, our AI courses. Let me open this. Okay, our AI courses. So we want to generate this in Venngage. We simply come here and click generate. And click generate. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, simple and straightforward. Now let's customize it. Click customize, which is the simple editing. Customize it. Okay, so you can decide to get a picture here. Maybe you go to the internet. Let's see if we can replace this. Okay, let's replace. We have to take a file. Let's go to the internet and get that of a computer or AI. Let's say Google. Press enter. Say AI photos, for example. Just simple something. Let's see how it goes. Then come to where we get the photos. Okay, let me say I use this. Save image as. Call it AI. I'm saving it under the downloads. Okay, AI, and I save it. Say AI already existed. Let me say no. So let me say AI flyer. Okay, and I say so it saves at AI flyer. So if I come back here, let's see. Okay, where was my? Let me close this. When we come to where, okay, see our picture, our flyer here. We click edit, was here. So I come here, I browse the file under downloads. So we're on downloads now. Click on downloads. AI flyer, double click it here. Okay, so it comes here. So I can bring this one here. Okay, let me add it. I just double click it. It comes up there, so you can see it just took the form. So this gives a better platform. So enhance your future with AI. Enhance your future with AI. So explore. So if we like what we are seeing here, upgrade your IT skills. Type. You can change the content here. Also enhance your future with AI courses. I think it's, for me, it's already well positioned. So if we are done, you check the text. Is any text you want to use? What kind of text you want to use? So maybe I want to use this kind of text, or I go to heading. Okay, it brings an opportunity to add more text. I can decide to enter any information here, but I'm not adding now. So you can play around also with these features here: text, shape and lines, icons, images. Let's click on the images. These are the one we just uploaded, just one now. Then you can add charts. You can also add maps. So let's click on bring one map here, or simply yes, or simply click one. Double click it. Okay, so the map is now showing here. You put it anywhere you want, but we don't want a map here, so we delete this. Let's delete all this off. Okay, let's undo it. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I'm removing it. So when you are done, you simply only need to just come here and download, just like you did for every other one. Now the difference is, for Venngage you need to upgrade to download, while the other one, Adobe Express and PictoChat, it was free. So when you upgrade, you can now download. So you need to know which ones are free, which ones are not free. So what have we covered so far? We came to look how we can generate flyers using AI generators, flyer generators, and we worked on 3 of them. We worked on Adobe Express. Let's see whether the Adobe, okay, this is where it was before. Let's see whether it's the network. Okay, this is Adobe Express loading. We worked on Adobe Express. Okay, it's still loading. While it is loading, we also worked on PictoChat. We also worked on, this is still PictoChat. We also worked on Venngage.